Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Lundy's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 18th to 30th. November 18th to 22nd. The flow is forecast to remain amplified. We still have very strong positive height anomalies here with the Bering Sea and the Aleutians. We have a trough here extending into the Eastern Pacific. And we have a trough here in the east, above normal heights here with the ridge over Mexico. Now this is GFS, and we're going to go through the days, and we're going to see that this the negative height anomalies here will slowly disappear as they did here, being replaced by strong positive height anomalies. So I'm going to go through the days, and I come to the 22nd. Now you can see that we have positive height anomalies here, but these are stronger. We have a trough here, and the model's a good agreement on this through the period. Showers and storms are forecast from the Mississippi Valley to the east. The European indicates the potential for a wave to develop along a front in the northern Gulf of Mexico early next week that could potentially spread an area of rain across the lower Mississippi Valley and the Gulf Coast states. I wanted to show the model, but I didn't have time. Temperatures in the east will remain below normal. Heavy precipitation forecast for northern California and the northwest. Snow will be possible in the higher elevations. Overall, the temperatures in the west will remain mild. November 21st to the 25th. Here we are at the 22nd. Models in agreement, still indicating strong positive height anomalies here, and we have a trough over western Canada into the Eastern Pacific, and we have a trough here in the east. I'm going to go through the days. I'm going to go through the end of the period. Here we are at the 25th. The flow here kind of broadens a little bit, but still we have our positive height anomalies here. And then we look at the rest of the models, they're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the west with anomalies of 48 degrees above normal. I think this is a little underdone. And I'm forecasting below normal temperatures from the northern plains, Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, where I'm forecasting anomalies of 46 degrees below normal for precipitation. Above normal precipitation forecast here. Below normal precipitation, well, there's a greater chance of below normal precipitation for the lower and middle Mississippi Valley into the Tennessee Valley, and then a lesser chance is forecast for the plains and the eastern Gulf Coast states, the Ohio Valley, and the lower Mid-Atlantic. November 26th to 30th. Here at the 26th. The flow is forecast to de-amplify here, and you can start seeing there's a broad flow. Some of the models are indicating a broad cyclonic flow here across much of the nation, but they still hang on to the strong positive height anomalies near the Aleutians and the Bering Sea and over the North Atlantic, high latitudes of the North Atlantic. And I'm going to go through the days. And I'm going to come to the 30th. Still, we have the weakening of the flow, but still above normal heights here, trough here. I think that'll be the setup. Positive height anomalies here seem to weaken a little bit, but they're still there. And I'm going to go to the end of the pair and look at the models. Now look how they de-amplify the flow. This is a European ensembles. And then we have the Canadian, which is the least amplified. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting still above normal temperatures for the west, but the anomalies will come down. Forecast anomalies to be about 2 to 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast for the Mississippi Valley to the east coast, with anomalies of 2 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for Washington and Oregon. Below normal precipitation forecast for the Four Corners, and also for this area here. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 18th to the 30th. Thanks for coming to Jim Morning's World of Weather, and have a good day.